Hare Krishna, everyone. I hope all of you are safe. I just wanted to mention a few things. Firstly, please stay safe. Stay at home. If you have to go out for some essential work, wear a mask, sanitize yourself, and take whatever precautions are needed to be safe and keep your family safe. The second thing was just like we're trying to break the chain of the virus, let's also break the chain of negativity. There is so much negativity right now that is there in the media. People are getting an overdose of news. Everyone is constantly watching their smartphone. What's going on? How many people infected? How many people dead? Shortage of oxygen, shortage of hospital beds. You know, watching so much negativity regularly, a healthy person will also become sick. Your heart will start to palpitate and you'll gasp for breath even though don't have the virus, just because you're getting so much overload. It's just like when Hanumanji, he tried to eat the sun and Vayu became angry and he stopped the flow of air and all the living entities were gasping for breath. Similarly, when you watch so much negativity, it's like, you start to gasp for breath. So break the chain of that negativity. Stay away from news, stay away from it for some time, and fill that gap up with something positive. Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, he tells Arjuna, Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehina rasa varyam rasoapyasya param drishtva nivartate. He says that we all want to give up certain negative things. We all want to give up certain not so good habits. But Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehina. Somehow or the other we get pulled towards it again. But Rasa varyam raso apyasya param drishtva nivartate. Krishna tells Arjuna, if you can give up that habit by replacing it with something better, then your senses and mind will no longer go to that habit again. So replace this negativity of the media or of just talking about the virus, thinking about the virus, by replace it by spirituality. So I have two techniques or two suggestions rather to offer. The first one is to perform mantra meditation. So mantra meditation means when you sit and you chant a mantra again and again. Mantra means mana trayate iti mantra. That which delivers the mind is called mantra. Tra means delivers, frees from something negative. So mantra frees the mind from all these negative thoughts and negative feelings and negative qualities. So we chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And by chanting this Maha Mantra, one mala, they are having 108 beads. So you chant this 108 times, that's called as one round or one mala. And if you're new to chanting, I would urge you to start chanting at least one round every day. If you are chanting, increase your chanting. If you're chanting regularly, maintain it, chant nicely. And in this way, give your mind a chance. Give your mind a chance of getting out of this negativity by focusing on something positive, which is the mantra. The second thing is fill the mind with spiritual instructions. The Bhagavad Gita, our ancient text, is pregnant with instructions that Lord Krishna has given Arjuna for a situation just like this, when the mind is going haywire and we have to bring it back to perform our responsibilities and duties nicely. So read from the Bhagavad Gita every day. Start with one page. Read one page of the Bhagavad Gita every day. And we actually have a nice program to help you do this. Every night at 9 p.m. on an app, we all meet for 15 minutes and we read a few shlokas from the Bhagavad Gita and we discuss the practical application of these shlokas. And it's just for 15 minutes. It's every night. Please join us from the day you watch this video. And in this way, when you replace the negativity of whatever is surrounding us right now, take a break the chain of negativity, stop the media for some time, give yourself a break and give yourself a chance by indulging in spirituality. Chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra every day and read from the Bhagavad Gita, take in Lord Krishna's instructions, and then this situation, which is a trying situation, will actually lead to triumph. We'll see how we grow. And we would look back upon the situation and see that I utilized my time properly and I didn't let myself get bogged down by the negativity, and I actually grew as a person and became stronger in my mind and I became a better person. So break the chain of negativity, take a break from the media, add on spirituality in your life, perform these things that I just mentioned, and in this way grow, prosper. If we can help you in any way, do let us know. You can write, you can comment, and or you can write to our email. It's also mentioned in the description of this video, and we will get back to you. Hare Krishna everyone. Thank you for watching.